Here's how to properly install the HS11 Soapstone, Hearthstone's precision-engineered directional uplight, ideal for columns, trees or architectural accents. Let's start with the tools. You'll need a T-style trenching tool, a solid 3/4 inch steel bar, flat on one end and dull on the other, a good pair of wire cutter crimpers, copper crimp collars and silicone-filled wire nuts. First, trench about 6 inches deep to where your fixture is going. Then, use the pointed end of your steel bar to hollow out a cone-shaped hole. Work the bar side to side until you've got at least 8 inches of depth. Place the HS11 fixture over the hole and press it down. Make sure the shroud is facing exactly where you want it. Push as far as you can to seat the stake into the soil. Next, take the flat end of your steel bar and gently tap the stake until it's fully below grade. This locks it in and protects it from shifting. Time for the wire connections. Strip about 1.5 inches of insulation off each wire. Careful not to clip any strands. You'll have the power in and power out going to the next fixture. Crimp all 3 wires in a copper collar, then seal the connection with a silicone-filled wire nut. Repeat the same process for the other wire. Make sure your fixture is straight, your connection sealed, and bury the wire. Then move on to the next soapstone. That's it. Simple, durable, professional. That's the HS11.